After I learned how to make chicken like this, I don't make it any other way. A great option for your lunch or dinner and very simple to prepare. We'll use 6 chicken thighs. I took off the skin of it, but if you like it, you can let it there. Let's cut it this way, like you can see on the video, guys. So just so the seasons can go inside of the chicken. Let's put it all in a bowl and use 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, powdered garlic, black pepper, and let's mix everything very well. Here you can use your favorite seasons, okay? Now let's cook 3 potatoes. It's already peeled off. Here there is no secret, guys. Just cover it with hot water. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Our potato is already cooked, and now let's take it out, the water. And in another bowl, let's add ketchup, 200 milliliters of water, salt, and black pepper. And let's reserve it. Now in a frying pan, let's add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt right there. Then let's add a little bit more of oil and then add the chicken, okay? This way. Just fry on one side and then turn it around to fry on the other side. Very simple, fast, and easy. You don't even need to go stirring it. Then let's add 1 chopped onion, garlic. I'm using the purple one, okay? But you can use the traditional one. After it's well fried, let's add all of the potatoes. I also added the green onion because I like it, and also put the sauce we made with the ketchup. I squeezed some lemon on top of it, and this sauce will cook our chicken. Cover it and wait for it to be reduced. This syrup will let it more juicy, you know. Instead of adding just water, we seasoned it so we can give a special taste to it. And guys, you have no idea how good it is. This chicken is very seasoned, super juicy, and the potato has a taste from the chicken, so it's super good. Actually, the potato, the way you make it, I'm pretty sure you love it because potato is amazing. Make it at your house and I'm pretty sure that all of your family is gonna love it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked it, this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one.